Hello, friends. I am very happy to see you here. Thank you for learning English with us today. I hope you feel relaxed, comfortable, and ready for a new small step. And friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe. It really helps us and motivates us to create more simple, friendly lessons for you.
Hi everyone, I am Jake, and today I feel curious because I know we are going to talk about the future in the future without only using will. My brain is ready.
Good. Then your brain and my brain can work together.
Friends, please listen to the video until the end. I promise you will like our explanation.
Today, we will speak about 3 very important ways to talk about the future: will, be going to, and the present continuous used for the future. And we will see how going to and the present continuous can sometimes replace will, how the meaning changes a little, and when it is better to use each form.
So the question is not which one is correct, but more like different choices, different feeling?
Exactly. All 3 forms are grammatically correct, but they give different shades of meaning. Native speakers feel this difference very strongly, but they do not think about rules. Today, we will slow down and look inside their choices. And friends, while you listen, if you like this kind of calm, detailed explanation, do not forget to like this video and share it with someone who is also learning English. It helps our small English family grow. Now, the most important part. When do we usually use each form? Let us make a simple picture first. Going to usually shows a plan or intention. The idea was in your head before you spoke. The present continuous usually shows an arrangement or schedule with a specific time, something that is organized and feels fixed in your calendar. Will is more neutral or slightly formal and is often used for quick decisions made in the moment, for offers, for promises, and for predictions based on opinion.
So, if I already decided yesterday to do something, I am going to do it. If I decide now, in this moment, I will do it?
Very often, yes. Let us see this with real examples so you can really feel the difference. Before the lesson, I think, I want to explain everything slowly. So I say, I'm going to speak slowly today. During the lesson, I see that Jake looks very tired. I decide in the moment, okay, I will give more examples to help you. Here, I will give is a fresh decision now. Another example, you decided last week, I want to start a new course. So today you say, I'm going to start an online course next month. Later, your friend says, hey, this course looks great. And you answer in the moment, you know what? I will join you. Will join is a new decision in that moment.
Okay, that is clear. Going to is like I already know what I want, and will is like I am choosing now.
Exactly. That is a very good summary. Now, let us talk about predictions. When we say what we think will happen in the future. We can use both going to and will, but again, the feeling is a little different. Going to is often used for prediction with evidence. You see something now. Will is often used for a prediction based on opinion, feeling, or belief. For example, with weather. Look at those black clouds. It is going to rain. Here we see the clouds. There is evidence in front of us. I think it will be a hot summer. Here it is my opinion or feeling. I do not see it. I only think it. Another example. She has studied a lot. She is going to pass the exam. We see strong evidence. She works hard. She is prepared. She is very clever. I think she will do well in life. This is a belief about her future in general.
So going to in predictions feels like, look, you can see it coming, and will feels more like, I believe it.
Exactly. Very good. Now let us compare going to and the present continuous. Both can talk about the future, both can be used for plans. But the present continuous usually feels more like a fixed arrangement, something that is really in your schedule, with time and sometimes place. Let us compare some sentences. Number 1. I am going to visit my parents this weekend. This sounds like a plan, an intention. I am visiting my parents this weekend. This feels more arranged, like the day and time are fixed. Maybe you have already talked to your parents and everything is organized. Number 2. We are going to travel to Spain next summer. This is a plan, an idea. We are traveling to Spain next summer. This feels like the tickets, dates, and maybe hotels are already booked. It is more solid. Number 3. I am going to see the dentist. This is a general plan. One day, you will go. I am seeing the dentist on Monday at 10. This is a clear appointment. It is in the calendar with an exact time.
So present continuous is like it's not only my idea, it's really happening. It's in the system, in the calendar.
Yes, that is a very good way to feel it. Friends, this is very important. Sometimes more than one form is possible. The sentence is still correct, but the feeling changes a little. Let us take one situation and look at 3 different versions. Imagine you have an exam tomorrow. You can say, I am going to study tonight. This shows a plan. You decided earlier. You can say, I am studying tonight. This sounds more fixed and strong, like, this is in my schedule, do not invite me anywhere. You can say, I will study tonight. This sounds more like a promise or a decision in the moment.
So, if my mom says, Jake, you never study, and I answer, okay, I will study tonight, it feels like a promise right now.
Exactly. Another situation. You and Tom almost decided to visit Spain. You can say, we are going to visit Spain next year. That feels like a plan. You can say, we are visiting Spain next year. That is very strong, like it is already arranged. You can say, we will visit Spain next year. That is more neutral or like a promise. We will do it. None of these sentences are wrong. They are simply different choices with different flavors. Now, Jake, let us do some practice with choosing the form. I will give you a situation, you choose a sentence, and explain why. Situation 1. You decided yesterday to start running 3 times a week.
I am going to start running 3 times a week because I made this plan before now.
Good. Situation 2. You are sitting on the sofa. Your friend says, I'm cold.
Then I say, okay, I will close the window because I decide in that moment.
Perfect. Situation 3. You have a fixed appointment with your dentist next Tuesday at 9.
I am seeing my dentist on Tuesday at 9 because it's a clear arrangement with time.
Very good. Situation 4. You look at your schedule and there is an empty evening. Right now, you decide to study.
I say, I will study tonight because the decision happens now.
Yes. And if you had decided this yesterday, you would more naturally say, I am going to study tonight.
Okay, I can feel the difference more now. It's not just grammar, it's feeling.
Exactly. That is what we want.
Friends, now let us talk about how native speakers really talk in everyday life. In daily conversation, native speakers use will a lot for quick offers, quick decisions, and promises. For example, I will help you. I will call you later. I will send you the file. I will check. These are often decisions made in the moment. They use going to a lot for personal plans and intentions, For example, I am going to cook tonight. We are going to watch a movie. They are going to move next year. They use the present continuous a lot for arrangements, calendars, and social plans. For example, I am meeting Anna tomorrow. We are having dinner with my parents on Friday. I am flying to London on Monday.
So, all three live together in normal speech. It is not one correct, two wrong, but more like three brothers in one family.
Yes, sometimes they argue, but usually they live in peace. Now, let us take some sentences and see how the meaning changes when we change the form. First example, I will call you tonight. This sounds like a promise, an offer, or a decision now. I am going to call you tonight. This sounds like a plan you already had in your mind. I am calling you tonight. This sounds very strong and very fixed, like, be ready, I am definitely calling you. Second example. They will get married next year. This is a neutral prediction or opinion. They are going to get married next year. This suggests you know they are planning it. Maybe they are engaged. They are getting married next year. This feels very fixed. The date and place are probably already chosen.
Friends, now it is your turn. I will give you a situation and 3 sentences. You can decide which one feels best, but remember, often more than one is possible. Situation A. You just remembered that you forgot to do your homework. You decide now to do it this evening. You can say, number 1, I will do my homework tonight. Number 2, I am going to do my homework tonight. Number 3, I am doing my homework tonight. The most natural in this situation is number 1, I will do my homework tonight, because this is a decision in the moment. But number 2 and number 3 are also possible, especially if you want to sound more planned or more serious. Situation B. Your friend and you planned a coffee tomorrow at 5 p.m. You can say, number 1, I will meet Tom for coffee tomorrow at 5. Number 2, I am going to meet Tom for coffee tomorrow at 5. Number 3, I am meeting Tom for coffee tomorrow at 5. The strongest arrangement feeling is number 3, I am meeting Tom, because it sounds like a fixed plan. Number 2 feels like a plan or intention. Number 1 is more neutral or formal. Situation C. You see your friend carrying a heavy box. You want to help. You can say, number 1, I am going to help you. Number 2, I will help you. Number 3, I am helping you. The most natural is number 2, I will help you. Because the decision is now, it is a quick offer.
I always used I will help you in that situation. Good to know I was doing it right.
Yes, your English instinct is very good.
Let us now make a short summary that is easy to remember. Going to is used for plans and intentions. The decision is usually before the moment of speaking. It is often used for personal future plans and also for predictions with clear evidence.
The present continuous is used for arrangements, appointments, and fixed plans. It often includes a specific time and sometimes a place. It feels like something is in your calendar already.
Will is used for quick decisions in the moment, for offers, for promises, and for predictions that are based on opinion or belief. It is often more neutral or slightly formal.
I like your formula. Going to is my plan, present continuous is my schedule, and will is my decision now, my offer, my promise, or my prediction.
Yes, if you remember only this, your English future will already be much clearer.
I did not forget about you, my friends. I left you a very nice bonus in the description, so those who stayed until the end can use them. And friends, one more small reminder, if you enjoyed this lesson and you still have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel now and turn on the notifications. Your support really helps us to keep creating new lessons for you. Friends, thank you for learning with us today. Remember, all three forms are tools. None of them is your enemy. The more you practice, the more natural your choices will become.
Thank you for being with us. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions really help us and make us very happy.
Every small step helps your English grow. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and tell us which sentences you are going to use in your real life.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye.